The history of Japan, a journey through time. Japan, the land of the rising sun, is a country renowned for its technological innovations, rich traditions, and stunning landscapes. Today, it welcomes millions of visitors each year. But for over 2 centuries, Japan remained a closed nation, shaping its unique cultural and historical identity. Let's explore Japan's fascinating history, from its earliest settlements to its rise as a global economic powerhouse. The first settlers in ancient kingdoms. For over 40,000 years, the Japanese archipelago has been home to humans. Early settlers migrated from mainland Asia, bringing with them agriculture and metalworking, laying the foundation for Japan's first kingdoms. By the 3rd century AD, the Yamato region emerged as the dominant power. Ruled by an emperor, Japan was deeply influenced by its neighbors. In 552 AD, Buddhism arrived from Korea, sparking major political and cultural reforms. Japan's transformation, isolation to global power. The Edo period in Sakoku, 1603 to 1868, with the rise of the Tokugawa shogunate, Japan entered a peaceful but isolated era known as Sakoku, or the closed country policy. Foreign trade was strictly controlled, with only Dutch and Chinese merchants allowed in Nagasaki. Christianity was banned, and Japanese citizens were forbidden from traveling abroad. Despite this isolation, Japan's art, culture, and economy flourished, leading to the emergence of kabuki theater, haiku poetry, and ukiyo-e art. In 1853, U.S. Commodore Matthew Perry arrived in Japan, demanding trade access. Unable to resist Western influence, Japan ended its isolation, triggering the Meiji Restoration. Japan rapidly modernized, adopting Western military, education, and infrastructure. The feudal system was abolished, replaced by a constitutional government. Japan quickly emerged as a military and industrial power, defeating China 1894 to 1895 and Russia 1904 to 1905 in war. World War II and the atomic bombings. Japan's imperial ambitions led to its involvement in World War II. In 1941, Japan launched a surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, drawing the United States into the war. By 1945, Japan faced devastating bombings, culminating in the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. On August 15, 1945, Japan surrendered, marking the end of the war. After the war, Japan was occupied by the U.S., leading to demilitarization and democratization. Despite the devastation, Japan rebuilt rapidly. By the 1950s and 60s, Japan became a global leader in automobiles and electronics, with companies like Toyota, Sony, and Honda. By 1980, Japan had risen to become the 2nd largest economy in the world, driving technological innovation. The 1990s economic slowdown, known as the Lost Decade, tested Japan's resilience. But despite setbacks, the country remained an innovation powerhouse. Today, Japan is at the forefront of global technology, culture, and sustainability. Tokyo, one of the world's most advanced cities, seamlessly blends ancient temples with modern skyscrapers. Japan is a leader in robotics, space exploration, and artificial intelligence. Cultural exports, anime, manga, and J-pop continue to shape global entertainment. From centuries of isolation to a global economic powerhouse, Japan's history is a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and innovation. Whether through samurai traditions, industrial revolutions, or digital breakthroughs, Japan remains a beacon of progress.